Hey guys, it's Lillian again. I'm coming back to you with another video. So this video is actually a tutorial for glasses wearers, but this can also be applied to people who don't wear glasses as well. I've seen different videos, not recently, but maybe in like the last 5 years or so, where people have done their version of this. So I figured I'd throw my hat into the ring and do my own version of this. I do hope that it is helpful for everyone who watches, and to those of you who don't wear glasses, please note that this is not solely for people who wear glasses, but I feel that it definitely does complement people who wear glasses. So if you are somebody who doesn't wear glasses, feel free to use or do the same things that I do. It will look good regardless. You may have to, I don't know, you may have to make things a bit less or a bit more depending on what your style is, but that's up to you. Makeup is just a form of expression, so you do you when it comes to that. So the goal for this was to do my makeup in about 10 minutes. So you're gonna see whether I got to the 10-minute mark or if it was just under or just above. I will say there was a bit of talking in it, so that unfortunately that did skew the timing just a bit. But I'm not editing that part. I'm just letting it play through so you could see what or how long it took for me to do that. Again, I hope you enjoy it, and let's move on. Alright, so we're gonna try and do this everyday makeup, hopefully within the span of 10 minutes. I will say it is a bit harder whenever you don't have a mirror like right in front of you. So instead of me having two hands, I only have one because I'll be holding a mirror. But we will see how it goes, and I'll also put on my timer on my phone just to see how long it takes. I feel like it might take a little longer than 10 minutes, but we shall see. So I just want to start by saying first that I've already primed my face and I have put moisturizer on my lips. The primer that I used was the Smashbox Photo Finish Light Primer, foundation primer, and then for my lips I used the Jack Black Moisture Therapy Lip Balm in the Shea Butter. Scent, but it doesn't really smell like anything to me. This does have SPF 25. So I'm gonna put this on. Let's see. Alright, so let me take off my glasses, and here we go. So the first thing I'm going to do is I am going to fill in my brows. Okay, I hope everything's in focus because I obviously can't see anything because of my glasses. So I'm using the Annabelle eyebrow pencil. I've been using this for many years. This is just good for every day. Alright, sometimes I will use the Anastasia one, but for every day it's not feasible. Alright, so then the next thing I'm going to do is I am going to put some, this is kind of like a brightening thing for under the eyes. This is from First Aid Beauty and it's called the Eye Duty Triple Remedy. And it just looks like that, and I'll have everything indicated below. I usually just do 3 dots or like 2 fairly sizable ones, and then I will just rub it in. It does look a bit ridiculous to start, but it does the job. So I'm gonna do that. And the silver thing that is at the tip, it does provide a nice cooling sensation, and it's very relaxing, I must say. Alright, so that is that, and this does brighten up the concealer that you're going to put on underneath, and it reduces the look of like bags and whatnot. So we put that there, and while that's setting, I'm gonna put some concealer on my like my upper lip area and my chin. So I'm using the MAC Pro Longwear Concealer in NW45. This is Old Faithful for me, and I wear this. I wear this more than any other makeup product every day. This and like my eyebrow. It's a pencil. So I do that. And then I do a bit of my chin as well. And I just rub that in with my finger. Alright. And then I will go in with the concealer for my under eyes. I use the Maybelline Age Rewind concealer, and it's in the color Hazelnut. So I'm just gonna line that up a bit. Alright. Alright, just go like that. And like that. And then I will take a beauty blender and I will just use the tip of it just to blend it all out. Alright, looks good. Okay, and then the next thing I'm going to do is I will take my liner and then put that on my eye. I use the Marc Jacobs, I don't even know what the official title is, but I will put that in the link below, or the description box below, but it is my favorite liner I've ever used. You're gonna see me struggle. I usually just start from the middle and make my way up a little bit. And this is a bit of a messy job because I usually do this with two hands. I usually hold my face still. Alright, yeah, this is not my finest work, I will tell you that. I miss sitting at my desk and doing this. It definitely makes a difference. Oh, I definitely butchered that. But you know what? It's okay. We'll smudge it out. And I have this brush. We'll just make it a bit of a smoky eye. Bring it in. Might as well do both sides. And this is the upside to wearing glasses because it definitely hides the flaws. So the next thing I'm going to do is take my mascara. This is the L'Oreal Voluminous Original Mascara. And I do use two mascaras, so I start off with this one. And I do one eye at a time, it's just easier for me. This next one is the L'Oreal Telescopic Mascara. This one has a plastic brush, and it just helps to separate the lashes a bit more. I'll say that I definitely take the most time to do my lashes. Alright, let's do the second. And just for like the purposes of this video, I am like brushing my lashes just a bit, but they're still coming out decent, thank the Lord. Alright, so that's gonna have to do. And then the next thing I'm gonna do is I am gonna take my foundation. So this is a powder foundation. This is from Makeup Forever, and I don't know the color offhand, but I will put this in the description box with everything else. It's just easier for me to use a powder foundation on the regular as opposed to liquid. I usually do liquid if I'm going to like a special event or if I have a nice dinner to attend. That is the only time I'll really pull out the liquid foundation. Okay, and this should be good enough. Alright, so just blend that in. And you may notice that I'm not putting on any eyeshadow, and that's on purpose because I don't wear eyeshadow on the regular. Now the next thing I'm going to do is I am going to do some highlighting, and I just do very simple highlighting. So this highlighter is by Fenty Beauty, and I'm just going to just put that up here on both sides. This is literally all I do. This is hands down one of my favorite highlighters, and I do take both sides. It's just a double-sided thing. And then I will apply my blush, and this is from Mac, and it's called Fever, and it's a matte blush. And usually I won't wear a highlighter if I'm wearing like a shimmery blush, because sometimes that could be a bit too much in my opinion. Oh, I don't know what just fell. Something fell and hit me. And now that's all done, and I'm gonna do my lips. Ooh, did this stop? Oh, I'm just over 10 minutes. Oh well. So I'm taking this liner, lip liner. This is from NYX Cosmetics. This is an Urban Cafe. It's a nice brown lip liner. So I do the rim and then I just fill it in. And then I will take this lipstick from Urban Decay. This is in the color Sheer Rapture. And I just go over the rest of it. It's nothing crazy pigmented. Okay. And then I will go over that with a bit of a lip gloss, and then I will be done. So this is also from NYX. It's one of their Intense Butter glosses. The name escapes me at the moment, but I will put that down below for you guys. So I just tap it on my lip and then I will rub it in with my fingers. that is it. The makeup is done. And I'll stop it. Oh. So that took me 12 minutes and 6 seconds. Sorry, my phone is so gross. It's so dirty. But yeah, that's not bad considering I spoke through like all of that. Usually if I don't have to speak and if I have both hands available, usually Gucci. All right, let's move on to the end. All right, so I've made it to the end of this video. I haven't filmed an actual tutorial in a very long time, so thank you so much for bearing with me. I hope you liked the look. This is, for me personally, this is a great look for somebody who wears glasses, and even if you don't wear glasses, like this look works perfectly fine. Let me just come up a little closer. Oh, there's a bit of a glare. But yeah, whatever. You get the look. But yeah, I hope it was helpful. If you have any questions in terms of like what I used or what I did, feel free to just put that in the comment section below. Please do keep in mind, I am not by any means a makeup artist. I try and keep things as simple as I possibly can. So I may not use the popular techniques that are used by other people here on YouTube. I am a minimalist when it comes to my makeup. But yeah, again, I hope it was helpful, and again, I'll put everything down below in terms of the products that I used. If you have any kind of requests or anything, I am open to seeing them, and if I think that it's possible for me to do that, I will do my best to try and execute what you have requested. Other than that, I do hope that you subscribe for more videos, and I hope to see you all in the future. Bye!